All right, this is our last new thing for the semester, for this first semester. Ugh, how exciting and sad at the same time. Now we're going to do properties of exponents. So let's take a look at number one. Oh, goodness gracious. We have 3x squared times 3a to the fourth. What are we going to do? Oh my goodness. The possibilities are endless. So let's take a look first. So I want you to look at this as 3 times 3. Don't look at anything else. 3 times 3, that will give us 9. These will still be multiplied together, okay? Now let's take a look at the exponents. Since we have the same, we can combine them. They can be friends. So we have a to the second and a to the fourth. So we know we can bring our a down. But what can we do with that 2 and 4? Are we going to multiply those together? No, we are not. We are going to add these together. So we can look at 2 plus 4, and that will give us 6. So again, the main numbers we're going to multiply, the exponents we will add. Let's take a look at number 2. b to the fifth times 4b to the negative 2. Not only did I throw exponents at you, I made it negative. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. So remember, if there's nothing in front of here, 1 is a given. So we can look at this as what is 1 times 4. That will give us 4. Then we have our 5 and our negative 2. Now we learned up here we're going to add them, so it would just look like 5 plus negative 2. That's fine, we can do that. 5 plus negative 2 is the same as 5 minus 2. And 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Love that. Okay, next one. I'm going to use a different color over here because it's just fun. We have 2c times 5c to the third. So we'll look at our 2 and our 5, and we're going to multiply those together to give us 10. And then we have, it just says c. Just like here, we know the given is going to be a 1. So do not get afraid of that. So we know c is going to come in front of here. So we can look at this as what is 1 plus 3? That will give us 4. So again, we multiply these together, our exponents. This is still a 1, even though it doesn't have a number by it. And then 1 plus 3 will give us 4. All right, our final one, 4d cubed times 6d squared. No problems here. We have a 4 and we have a 6. We are going to multiply those together and we'll get 24. Okay, then we'll take a look at our, oh goodness, we have a D and an E. They're not the same. What can we do? What can we do? We really can't do anything except bring them down. That's all we can do with them. Since they do not match, we can't add them together. So we can just bring the d cubed down and an e squared down. And that is that. You do an assignment on Google Forms with it, but please email me if you have any questions.